Ready to jump into the exciting world of pocket option trading? Let's get your account funded so you can start making those winning moves. First, head over to the Pocket Option website or open your Pocket Option app. You'll need to log into your account if you're not already. Once you're logged in, look for the deposit button. It's usually prominently displayed in the top right corner or within your account dashboard. Click on it. This will take you to the deposit methods page, where you will find a wide array of options to fund your account. Pocket Option supports various payment methods, including credit and debit cards like Visa and MasterCard. You can also use e-wallets like Skrill, Neteller, and Perfect Money for faster transactions. Cryptocurrency users can deposit with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular coins. Select your preferred deposit method by clicking on its icon. Each method might have different processing times and minimum deposit amounts, so be sure to check those details. Next, enter the amount you wish to deposit. Be mindful of the minimum deposit requirement for your chosen method now. Carefully fill in your payment details as prompted. This might include your card number, expiry date, and CVV code for credit, debit cards, or your e-wallet login information. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate, and then confirm your transaction. Depending on the payment method, you might be redirected to a secure payment gateway to complete the process. After successful authorization, you'll receive a confirmation message. That's it. Your funds should appear in your Pocket Option account balance within a few minutes, although some methods might take a bit longer. Now you're ready to start trading. Happy trading!